If you're getting a Whop error, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest way to figure out what's causing it and how to fix it, step by step. Whether the issue is a platform outage, a login problem, a declined payment, or a Discord connection issue, I'll show you exactly what to check so you can get back into your account or access your purchase as quickly as possible. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and tutorials. Let's start with the very first thing you should check, because this can save you a lot of time. Go to the Whop status page at status.whop.com and see whether the platform is currently experiencing any outages or service disruptions. If Whop is having a broader problem, then the issue may not be on your end at all. In that case, the best move is to wait until the service is back to normal and then try again later. If the status page shows everything is running smoothly, then the error is probably connected to your account, your payment, or your Discord setup. Now let's move to login issues, which are one of the most common reasons people see a Whop error. If you're seeing a message like "No user found," the first thing to check is how you originally signed up. Whop may have been created using Google, Apple, or Discord login, and if you try a different sign-in method, the platform may not recognize your account. So take a moment to remember the exact method you used when you first registered. If you originally signed up with Google, use Google. If you used Apple, use Apple. And if you use Discord, make sure you log in that way instead of guessing or switching methods. That simple mismatch is often the reason the login fails. If you're sure you're using the right login method and the problem still continues, sign out completely, refresh the page, and try again. It can also help to use a different browser or clear your cache if the page is loading incorrectly. Sometimes a small browser issue can make it look like your account is broken when it's really just a session problem. But if the login method was the issue, correcting that should bring you right back into your Whop account. Next, let's talk about payment declines. If your purchase failed or your payment was rejected, the first thing to check is your card details and account status. Make sure your card is still valid and hasn't expired. Also check whether your bank has placed any restrictions on the card, because banks sometimes block purchases that look unusual or trigger security filters. If your card is valid and active, but the payment still won't go through, contact your bank or try a different payment method if available. This is especially important if you are trying to buy access to a product, community, or membership and the checkout process stopped halfway through. If you're dealing with billing errors or unauthorized charges, Whop says you can contact support directly at support@whop.com. That's the best place to reach out if something looks incorrect on your account or if you need help with a payment issue that you can't fix yourself. When you email support, be as clear as possible. Include your account email, the transaction details, and a short explanation of what happened. The more specific you are, the easier it is for support to investigate and respond quickly. Now for the Discord connection issue, which is another big one if you purchase something on Whop but can't access the content. In many cases, this happens because your Discord account is not properly synced with your Whop profile, so your roles aren't updating correctly. If that happens, go to your Whop profile and unlink your Discord account first, then relink it again so the system can resync your access and refresh your roles. This often fixes missing access right away, especially if your purchase is tied to a Discord community or role-based content. After relinking, give it a moment for the permissions to update, then check Discord again and see whether your purchased content appears. If it still doesn't show up, make sure you're logged into the correct Discord account and that you're using the same one connected to your Whop purchase. A mismatch here can also prevent access from syncing properly. So to recap, first check the Whop status page for any outage, then verify your login method if you see a "No user found" error, then troubleshoot payment declines by checking your card and bank restrictions, and finally unlink and relink Discord if your purchased content isn't showing up. Those 4 steps solve most Whop errors without needing anything complicated. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with a specific Whop issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.